So before we can set up our first offer here in Kajabi, we need to connect a payment provider. So let's have a look at that in this video. And currently, if you're in the US, Canada, Australia, or now the UK, you can use Kajabi Payments. And so let's have a look on here. We can click Get Started. There is Learn More, and there's always some great information on here if you need help with Kajabi. They really do have great support pages, but we're going to click Get Started. Now, frustratingly, this is a new trial account that we've just done. And in the UK at the minute, I thought this was applying to everybody. They must be just rolling this out still. We certainly have all this set up on our main account. So look at this with Kajabi Payments. If you've got this available, or when you're watching this, if it's available to you, you should see an option here to click into it, and it will give you Apple Pay, Google Pay, the normal credit cards, and Afterpay. So you can actually offer people payment plans. So no more fear of you putting a payment plan in and someone accessing your training and then disappearing and not finishing their payment plan. You get paid in one go up front, and they deal with the finance with Klarna or Afterpay. So unfortunately, I can't demonstrate that one in this video right now. When this is available, maybe we'll update it and come back in. But for now, we're going to go into this one, which is connecting third-party payment providers. We've already been on this page if you're working through this playlist with us. But over here, then, we're going to connect up Stripe and PayPal. When you click on connect, it's going to say create a Stripe account or to log into an existing one if you've already got one. You're going to pop in your email address and walk through it over there. Now, I'm not going to do it because I know it will actually create another space within my Stripe account. What I would just say to you is if you click Learn More, again, there is a really good walkthrough. There's a video there. All the steps are laid out showing you everything you need to do to set this up. PayPal is very much the same. Click on there. I would just click on Learn More and go through the steps with them. But as I say, if you've got Kajabi Payments, it's the new thing. They're all excited about it. It's just being rolled out. It's not into Europe yet, and it isn't into other countries. But if you've got it available, definitely be using it. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually create an offer for your product, really walk you through all the options that you've got in there in offers. And I will point back to my other account so you can see how this works, and things like Apple Pay and Google Pay are available on the screen there. All right, so come over, join me in that video, and let's create an offer.